Once upon a time, there lived two sisters in a swampy kingdom. One a lightning witch named Acantha, the other an ordinary lotus farmer named Mira. One day an enchanted black mist came to their house that swirled and transformed the little sister Mira into a unicorn. Determined to find a way to turn her sister back into a human, Acantha took a job as a maid at the castle. It was there that the king's mysterious and handsome right-hand witch had been hoarding all the most powerful spellbooks in the land. While working at the castle, Acantha and Mira discovered the reason the court witch Stellan had hoarded the kingdom's spells. He needed to cure his arms of a deadly and mystical blight. When Mira began to cry at the sight, Acantha realized she could heal him with the unicorn tears. In gratitude for saving him, Stellan vowed to assist Acantha in her quest. He told her the only known witch to invent a spell for undoing animal curses was Galina. They followed the trail to Galina's shop, only to learn that she had died without ever revealing her recipe. The two witches made it their all-encompassing goal to awaken Galina for the knowledge she held. They spent months within the depths of the royal library, modifying spells and inventing a method to summon the wise witch's spirit from the dead. Finally ready to summon Galina, the witches found the old woman's bones. Stellan read the meticulously phrased spell, and with a powerful wake-up slap of Acantha's lightning, the spirit appeared. Galina took one ghostly look at Mira trapped in her unicorn form and sighed strangely. Galina revealed that her cure was a carefully cultivated blue lotus blossom that would allow Mira to transform between forms at will. Before disappearing, she gave Acantha instructions for growing it, along with a warning. Do not get comfortable. Beware the wielder of the black mist.